60 months to pay at 0% interest for as low as 35,000 or 571 US dollars per month. You may position your investment at one of the Ayala Land Premium Project. Welcome to Sereneo here in Nuvali. 60 months to pay down payment for 0% interest for selected lots here in Sereneo, and as small as 280 square meter lot cuts. This is the perfect opportunity because for as low as 35,000 pesos per month or 573 US dollars per month, you can own a property in not just on a mid or normal segment of Ayala Land. You are targeting your retirement home or building your family home on an Ayala Land Premium Project, just like Sereneo. And I am excited to talk to you more about the buyer's market price, why it is still the best time to invest now before the boom of the launching of the infrastructure projects here in the area. But samahan niyo muna ako, mag-road trip tayo mula sa Nuvali flyover papunta dito kay Sereneo. While we're shooting this video Sunday ngayon, on our left, accessible na ang ating broad field na access road from South Forbes Villas or South Forbes Gulf City pati dun sa Calax exit. So papunta tayo ngayon sa Nuvali proper, and kita nyo no, bagyo dito sa Pilipinas ngayon. And sabi ko kay Gion bago kami mag-shoot ba tayo, Gion? Kasi paulan-ulan, tapos ngayon lang huminto yung ulan, tapos uulan na naman mamaya. But I realized na, uy, okay din pala, no? Kasi yung mga clients ko, existing clients ko, or yung mga nag-i-inquire, hindi nga ba bumabaha dyan sa Nuvali? Ayan, sobrang umuulan. These past few days, talagang walang tigil. I mean, ang dami ng mga, I'm not wishing naman, no, na, uy, sa iba, bumabaha. Pero, I'm just technically saying na, uy, dito sa Nuvali, dito sa Metro Santa Rosa, this is the area where you will not worry for the flooding. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Nuvali flyover, papunta tayo sa Sereneo. And while we're very active sa pag-release ng mga videos sa mga new infrastructure projects, sa mga opening ng Ayala Malls Nuvali 4, ng SM Nuvali on October 2026, Museum for Architecture and Residences, Science Museum, sobrang daming mga office towers, convention centers, I wanna go back to the heart of this area, especially Nuvali, on bakit sobrang ganda mag-retire, bakit sobrang ganda mag-build ng family, and at the same time, bakit magandang sabayan na while most of the people hesitate to invest in a property right now, ito pala yung best time to invest on a property because of the terms and the promos that the developers are offering. And right now, ang ganda ng mga terms ngayon, and it will always correct itself. Real estate will always correct itself. Kumbaga, in my 6 years of experience, panapanahon lang yan. Kaya ako, kahit broker ako, sa paningin ninyo, I also invest. Dumaan yung pandemic, dumaan yung kung ano-anong krisis, nandito pa rin yung real estate. And I realized na it's not all about like, okay, mag-i-invest ako para tumaas yung property or yung value ng real estate property ko. Pero, ano ba yung intention natin? Is it all about investment, or are you eyeing Nuvali, Metro Santa Rosa, Greenfield City because you want to retire here? You want to experience kung ano yung na-experience ko since I'm also living here, and you want to just have a peaceful like retirement and to have a seamless peace, quiet, and secure for your kids kapag mag-aaral sila dito. So, ito yung road trip natin ngayon papunta sa Sereneo. So, nandito tayo sa famous intersection, Nuvali proper. If we turn right, nandyan si SM Nuvali, Ayala Malls Nuvali, and as you can see sa drone shot natin, ito yung mismong update ngayong buwan kung gaano kabilis yung developments. On our left naman, yung green barricade, ito ngayon siya sa drone shot. Dahil October 2026, magbubukas ulit itong famous Lakeside District, a refreshed Lakeside District na seamlessly connected na dito sa may Soledad 2 where Landmark is located and Ayala Malls Nuvali 4 is located. So as you can see, dumaan yung malalakas na hangin ngayon, dumaan yung technically bagyo and yung flooding. We don't have a flooding here, and at the same time, wala kang makikita sa mga kalsada. Habang pinapanood nyo ngayon, real time po ito, kakaulan lang ng malakas pero grabe yung pag-maintain. And that's what also you're paying for. When you're buying on a developer, on an estate development managed by the top developers here in the Philippines, just like Ayala Land. Mabilis silang mag-respond, mabilis yung maintenance nila. We have our own emergency vehicles here. We also have our own technically maintenance, not just inside the residential project, but also on the entire estate of Nuvali. So, ayan, very green, very lush, and I feel like ang sarap din pala mag-shoot, no? Kapag hindi mainit, kapag ganito lang. And right now nga, on our left, meron pa rin nagtitraining ngayon for the international volleyball competition. So, this is Nuvali. This is what I wanna highlight. The open spaces, the greenery. Number 2, traffic is way more manageable than in Manila. Yes, when there is an economic activity, traffic is inevitable. Lalo na nandito yung schools. Nandito yung Xavier School Nuvali. Nandito si Miriam College Nuvali. Nandito si De La Salle University Manila. University of Santo Tomas Santa Rosa Campus. And then magkakaroon din tayo ng University of the East, Ateneo Graduate School of Business, and we have St. Scholastica's College West Grove. It's technically the University Belt of the South. So kapag merong papasok or uwian, pati sa mga technoparks, mga international companies, we also experience moderate traffic here, but not what kung ano ina-experience natin sa Manila. Still way more manageable. Hindi talaga tayo may stress at hindi kakainin yung oras natin para sa paghihintay, no, sa napakalalang traffic katulad sa Metro Manila. Number 3, ano yung na-experience ko ngayon dito kay Nuvali as the one living in the area? Number 3, it's still the safety. It's still like when I wanna drive, even at the middle of the night, kung gusto kong bumili, kung gusto kong mag-stop by or mag-dine, hindi ako worry na baka hindi ako pwedeng mag-iwan, no, ng importanteng gamit sa loob ng sasakyan ko. Kasi baka may bumasag ng sasakyan ko or kumuha ng laptop ko kapag nag-iwan ako sa sasakyan ko. So, overall, it's really kung ano yung quality of life mo dito when you retire here or when you build your family here. So, ang gandang mabalikan na hindi puro infrastructure projects yung ina-update natin, but kung ano talaga yung ma-experience mo dito kay Nuvali. And we're still here in Nuvali, no? Nandito na tayo sa Nuvali proper, this famous rotunda going to Sereneo. Napanood nyo na to sa previous videos. Update lang ng mga commercial developments here. Hana Garden Villas, which is technically part of Nuvali na, papunta sa Sereneo. Ang mga activations natin dito, we have McDonald's, Starbucks, The Marketplace. Yes, magkakaroon tayo ng The Marketplace dyan, and Pancake House. So ito yung commercial development segment papunta sa Sereneo. So you don't really need to go to Ayala Malls Nuvali where it is easily accessible by public. Marami pong commercial activations inside Nuvali where most of the residential developments are here. And of course, the central block, magbubukas na yung Merrimark sa August 30 and may The Shops dyan. Marami dyang mga magiging stores which will cater the needs, the everyday needs of the residents. Salon, coffee shop, grocery, and a lot more to come. Nandyan din si Xavier School New Valley. So nandito na tayo sa part ng New Valley where nandito si Richview Estates, nandito si Avida Settings, and look at the environment. Look at the feels na kahit bagong ulan. You know, parang mas gusto ko pa yata mag-drive ako kaysa mag-stay sa bahay if gusto ko lumabas ng bahay, if ganito yung environment ng ipagdadrive ko. Sereneo already. So bago tayo pumunta sa Sereneo, we are here in Montecito and we have Rockwell South Development here. I covered a couple of videos about Rockwell, and Rockwell is one of technically a sign kung bakit maganda dito sa area, kung bakit price keeps on appreciating, not because of the commercial development drivers, yung mga malls na yan, pero alam natin, no, kung sino yung mga pumupwesto na developers, and these are not just your usual or common developers. We are on a mid to high or luxury segment developers katulad ni Rockwell na nandito na rin sa New Valley. And aside from that, aside from the greeneries that you are seeing right now, of course, we have a couple of like hobbies here, just like golf. We have a lot of golf driving ranges here, just like New Valley driving range. Itong tinutumbok natin, nasabi ko na rin before, so this is technically like a market, ganun siya kalaki. So magiging parang tower yan na magkakaroon ng sky deck na merong dining or restaurants sa taas. And then here, sa right side, actually, kumana na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa Sereneo. At the end of this road, yung Sereneo development na magkakaroon dyan ng Alveo commercial development. So maraming pwedeng mangyari in the future. So habang mga ganito pa lang yung nakikita natin, this is really technically the best time to invest. I'm imagining myself, since nasa viewing deck tayo, may hawak akong coffee, nandito ako sa second floor ng bahay ko dito sa Sereneo. Saka yun, yung view ko. Kapag dito ako nag-retire or dito ako nagpagawa ng bahay ko. Ito yung isa sa mga sinasabi ko, like yung mga diniscuss ko kanina about New Valley, about how green. Technically, hindi mo makukuha sa iba. Ito yung binabayaran mo actually, hindi lang yung property, hindi lang yung lote, yung everyday lifestyle mo. That is why ang sarap bumalik dito kay Sereneo dahil this is technically a 41 hectare development and you are only around 500 to 600 lots in total out of the 41-hectare development. And this is the very first project na naka-joint internally si Alveo and Ayala Land Premier. And right now in Nuvali, Sereneo is holding the biggest pool complex. Talo pa niya yung mga pools or clubhouses ng Ayala Land Premier. So, sa area, si Sereneo, katabi lang niya mga Ayala Land Premier project just like Mirala, Venare, and Lumira. And yung mga ganitong segment na akala natin ang hirap mag-enter, this is technically the right time to buy hanggat meron pang mga 60 months to pay, 0% interest na mamaya i-discuss natin how flexible at grabe kababa yung monthly down payment. So right now still, we have 360 degrees view, and right now, bumabagyo dito sa Pilipinas, hindi masyadong kita, but this is the Tagaytay Ridge. This is technically the coconut trees view. We have Mount Makiling here in the area. Puno lang ng fog. We have Laguna Bay and we have Makati skyline. So right now, ipapan namin or i-compare namin ngayon habang pinapakita, ito yung view niya pag sunny, and then ito yung view niya ngayon. Para makita nyo, no? And this is still the best time. Sabi ko kay Gion, yung nag-video sa akin ngayon, sige, mag-shoot tayo. I-shoot natin na ganito yung panahon para mas ma-appreciate natin na umaraw man o umalan, we can still appreciate the beauty of Sereneo. And we are still filming right now even if it's raining heavy right now, but baka nga maganda din to, no, sa YouTube natin para ma-feel ninyo and makita nyo talaga kung ano itsura ng area. Actually, not just here in Nuvali, but of course, in the whole Metro Santa Rosa corridor development. Mataas yung land elevation, and kahit, sabi ko nga kanina, kahit na bumabagyo, wala talaga tayong problem ng flooding here. And yeah, going back to Sereneo, napakaganda ng payment terms. I-discuss natin mamaya. Please, tapusin niyo po yung video because we have as long as 60 months to pay or 5 years to pay down payment at 0% interest for our few selected lots. At sa mga 279 square meter, hindi natin kailangan ng ganun kalaki as long as 4 years to pay or 48 months to pay at 0% interest. So technically, nasan ba particularly si Sereneo? Malapit na siya sa Nuvali Heights, so we are enjoying a high land elevation here as much as 205.98 square meter for its maximum elevation above sea level. Katapat niya lang po si Miriam College, Nuvali, and at the same time, makikita nyo kung gaano kataas si Sereneo comparing sa mga previous developments here in Nuvali. Kapit-bahay lang natin si Mundia, pero nandito tayo sa second floor, technically ng bahay nyo, dito sa viewing deck. Pero bubog na yung kita nyo sa Mundia. By the way, we have a reopened lot dito sa Mundia. Kung gusto nyo ng murang lote, reopened lang to. I don't know kung hanggang kailan siya magiging open. Just let me know if you are looking for an affordable one. So, magdi-discuss tayo dito mamaya, no? Ang pinakamaliit na lot cut is at 279 square meters, and i-discuss ko rin yung lot cut na pasok sa 60 months to pay. Technically, mga perimeter lots yan. Ang gusto ko naman sa mga perimeter lots ng Alveo Development, hindi siya katulad ng ibang subdivision. Ito yung bahay mo, likod ng bahay mo, perimeter. Hindi ganito sa Alveo Development. Ito yung lote mo, ito yung road, ito yung tapat mo, perimeter lot yon. Katapat mo lang yung perimeter. So technically, hindi talaga siya perimeter lot. Wala ka ng kapitbahay sa tapat mo, and you can use it like as your temporary parking if meron kang guest or visitor na pupunta sa bahay mo. So, ang ganda ng development ni Sereneo. Nakikita nyo yung mga renderings, nakikita nyo kung ano yung itsura ng clubhouse, and wala na akong masabi pa. This is Ayala, and you are living in the biggest eco-estate development here in the Philippines, Nuvali. Going back to the infrastructure developments right now in Nuvali, where is Nuvali Metro Santa Rosa right now, and how do we beat the price appreciation, big price appreciation sa mga launches this year mangyayari? Uulitin ko, balik tayo sa infrastructure projects. Magbubukas na yung Merrimart sa August 30, 2026 sa Central Block. Malo-launch na yung Central Block this year, October 2026. Two big malls. We are not talking about our usual ordinary malls. They belong to Tier 1, catering luxury segments of retail stores, mga branded stores, stores, mag-open si SM Nuvali with its 17th floor NV office tower, and rumors, magkakaroon din ng convention center or trade hall dito, and ang tapat nito, Park Inn International Hotel. We are just talking about SM Nuvali here in Nuvali proper commercial development. October 2026 as well, magbubukas yung Lakeside District, magbubukas din and ilo-launch yung Ayala Malls Nuvali 4, which is expected to be the green belt of the South dahil sa mga brand partners nila na bubuksan or stores sa magiging Ayala Malls Nuvali 4. At the same time, magkakaroon tayo dito ng parang mind museum ng BGC. Yes, magkakaroon tayo ng science museum focusing sa mga dinosaurs, no? And at the same time, City Garden Hotel will also enter Nuvali. I am just naming a few developments here. Balik tayo kay Greenfield City. The plan, para siyang magiging Emerald Necklace ng Chicago. More of active zone. They are also in talks to 5 hotel brands na papalibutan ng pinaplano nilang outdoor convention center. So, if hindi pa kayo naniniwala na now is the best time to invest, nagmamanifest na dahil kahit ano yung maging crisis dito sa Pilipinas, kahit meron tayong hindi ka ganun kaganda no, yung political climate, Nuvali Development Metro Santa Rosa just keep on continuing its promise to develop the area. Marami naman tayong pwedeng mapag-investan. We have Pampanga, taga Nueva Ecija ako, taga North, pero honest observation, medyo mainit sa area dahil patag, and maganda dahil they have Clark International Airport, pero medyo nababagalan lang ako sa development. Dito sa Nuvali, honest review, ang bilis ng development, and technically, we don't need nga ng another new international airport. Ang lapit-lapit lang natin dito sa NAIA, 30 to 40 minutes away using SLEX connecting through Skyway, and not just in NAIA, hanggang sa BGC Makati, 40 minutes away hanggang sa Norte through NLEX or North Luzon Expressway hanggang sa SCTEX or Subic Clark Tarlac Expressway. This is the power of Metro Santa Rosa of Nuvali. You are in the middle of everything. You are very or within reach sa Metro Manila, Tagaytay area, but at the same time, you are enjoying this climate. You are enjoying a flood-free, high, elevated, and peaceful community. Hindi talaga natin masabi yung araw, no? After the heavy rain kanina, araw na ngayon. Pero sabi siguro ni Sereneo, sige Jaire, para makita ng audience, anong itsura kapag sunny, pagkakaulan lang at umuulan, no? Dito sa Sereneo. Let's start to discuss muna the lowest lot cut available here in Sereneo. We have 280 square meter lot cut for a price of only about 16.6 million pesos, including the value-added tax, plus the other charges of transfer of title na about 817,000 pesos. But hindi nyo po ipipay yan one time, 50%, 20%. I-take nyo yung opportunity na nag-offer ng down payment at 0% interest. Once you reserve, for example, this month, amounting to 100,000 pesos, which is deductible to your total contract price, na lock in nyo na yung price na time na ni-reserve nyo. So, ibig sabihin, next month, next week, magtaas man yan, you are not affected anymore. But the good thing is, habang nagbabayad ka, kahit hindi mo fully paid itong property na to, magpa-price increase siya along the way, lalo na pag ni-launch na sa October yung big malls, you are not affected anymore. Pero kumikita na agad yung investment mo, kahit hindi ka nagbigay ng 100% capital investment. So, after the 100,000 peso investment or reservation during the month of August 2026, the following month, September, babayaran mo lang yung 10% spot payment amounting to 1.5 million pesos. That's around 1.5 million pesos. And then the following month ulit, simula October 2026 up until September 2030, you will be enjoying a monthly down payment of only 35,100 pesos or around $573 at 0% interest, particularly for this lot for 4 years. Again, 4 years at 0% interest, 48 months to pay. Napakalaking bagay na na-lock in nyo na yung price. Low monthly down payment, pero may investment ka na here at yung may iwan na balance na you can loan it through bank, about 13.2 million plus 817,000 peso miscellaneous fee. Dahil low monthly down payment ka, during the course of 4 years, baka pwede kang mag-ipon. Using your personal savings sa bank account mo, mabawasan mo yung ilo-loan after 4 years o baka ma-pay mo na in cash. That is the power of buying on a pre-selling project. Dahil you didn't just buy the property, you also bought the time. And now let's discuss naman yung few or selected lots nila na pwede kang mag-avail ng down payment for as long as 60 months to pay or 5 years to pay at 0% interest. Usually, these are perimeter lots just like what I've discussed earlier. This is in Block 16 Lot 6, 398 square meter with a total contract price of about 26 million pesos plus the transfer of title fees of about 1.2 million pesos. 100,000 peso reservation fee during this month, August 2026. The following month, you just have to pay amounting to 2.5 million for the 10% spot payment, and then the following month, October 2026 up until October 2031, mag-start ang ating 5 years to pay down payment at 0% interest of about 44,000 pesos per month or as low as 721 US dollars. You will be owning a large lot cut na 398 square meter. After that, yung maiiwan na balanse, again, you can loan it through bank, pay it in cash kasi ang dali mag-ipon. Imagine 5 years, no? Meron kang time para mag-ipon kalahating dekada. So, yan yung lagi kong sinasabi sa mga clients ko, huwag nyo titignan yung total contract price kasi ma-overwhelm kayo. Ako rin, ang dami kong investments dito, pero kung titignan ko yung total contract price, hindi ako makakapag-start mag-invest dito. And then, true enough, yung fear ko na conquer ko, uy, nabayaran ko na pala tong isa, sige, isa pa ulit, and then, uy, malapit na ako matapos, medyo liquid na ako, isa pa ulit, makakapag low monthly down payment. Ang ganda po sa pre-selling down payment term kasi hindi ka magbabayad ng 20% spot, 50% or cash term. Iba kapag nabibili mo yung oras mo. Technically, walang halaga yung or walang maipapantay na value kapag medyo nabibili mo yung oras na napoprolong mo yung pagbabayad mo ng malaking payment. Imagine, half a decade ka lang nagbabayad ng 10% of the total contract price na 0% interest. Napakalaking bagay po nun. So, if you want to secure your property here, this is not just your normal property. This can be your trophy investment at napakagandang idagdag sa real estate investment portfolio mo. Or magiging first-time property mo to dito sa Pilipinas. You are looking for a retirement home or looking for a space kapag umuwi ka dito sa Pilipinas or for your family. Or mag-start ka mag-build ng family mo and dito mag-aaral. Napakaganda na ng community. Now is the best time to invest. You may call or contact me through my iMessage, Viber, or WhatsApp account. That is +63927 1851590. My business email, thepropertygeekph@gmail.com. I am still contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin Property and Living section. Again, this is me, Jaire Valerio Mamaklay, which you can also personally message me, no? Jaire Valerio Mamaklay, personal Facebook account. If you want me to directly assist you, welcome to New Valley. Welcome to your future-proof home when it comes to peace, community, accessibility, and flood-free area.